with Gateway. I just want to give you a quick update of what's going on and how I'm using this to contact people and get leads. So basically all I really do is that I go down and I search for what they're interested in and what they're not interested in. So it's pretty simple. This person likes network marketing, and that actually looks pretty good right there. So I'll click on her profile. So she's new. She just signed up for it, because you always have the sign up ones at the top. So you can see when she signed up, August, of course, this year, and where she's from. So all you really got to do is just take out the pre-written text that they have for the message, make up a message on your own, save it to your little notepad. That way all you got to do is copy and paste. All this really says is that, hey, I'm interested, I looked at your profile, I'm interested in what you got going on. I'd like to share some information on what I got going on. Why don't you contact me on Facebook? So I leave my Facebook link right there, and I hit send. Let me try again, and for the third time is a charm, so it gets away, and message is sent. So now she has my message, and hopefully she'll contact me later on. FYI, she did, and we contacted on Facebook, and we're dialoguing and seeing how we can help each other in our businesses. I have about 17 more credits. It looks like it costs 1 credit to send a message. Just to let you know, you can always get more credits later on by writing something up in the business announcements. Write like a 400 to 600 word essay, submit it, and they'll give you like 10 credits for submitting it. You can always do that, or get referrals, and you get a credit or 5 credits or something like that per referral that you do. And to show you real fast about my sent request, so these are all the people who I sent requests to already, eating up my points that I have. Remember, it only costs 1 point to send. So all those I sent links to, and you don't always have to send your Facebook profile page or some other way to contact them. With this person, Brittany, I sent a link to my other affiliate page right there for her to go to and check out. Now, one of the things you want to keep in mind is that as you're going through, see what they're interested in and what they're not interested in, is that you want to target your niche. Don't be talking to somebody that is not something that is not involved in what you're involved in. Always remember that, okay? Now over here, I wanted to show you real fast about getting more credits. Part of the affiliate program is that when people buy credits, you get a commission off of that. So always keep that in mind, alright? Now for the business announcements, let me click on that and show you real fast, is that you can write an essay like I was saying, and then you get credited for it, and you just have to wait. So I wrote this one back in July, I believe it was, and I put all the information in, and it was published, and I received a lot of information. So it's my personal affiliates, Lead Lightning, $7 US to join, and that's what I wrote for it right there. One other thing I want to show you real fast is about the blog. If you click on it, it gives you the title, My Beginnings into Affiliate Marketing, and pretty much it's a small essay what I wrote on how I got into it, affiliate marketing, and how I got into the Lead Lightning system, which you can get for $7, and that's a lifetime payment. So those interested about that, just let me know, and we'll talk about it and see if it's right for you. It has backlinks highlighted in blue, which will take you to the site, or you can put the links themselves on the article without trying to mask them or hide them or anything like that. So people can leave comments, or they can click on it and say, hey, I'm interested, I want to see more about it. So let me go over here and click on this right here. I want to show you something, is that when people click on your little blog right there or little essay, all these people are interested in it. These are people who contacted me saying, hey, I want more information. Hey, I want to get in. So you do get responses from it. So those are all the responses I got from that. So the writing the article actually works. People read this stuff and they actually, hey, I want to get in. I want to get in on it. So take your time. Write something up. Like I said, it only takes, 400, 600 words. What you can do is that you can talk into your memo part on your phone and then highlight it all, put it in your email address, email it to you, instead of trying to transfer it from your phone to your computer, which is way hard because they talk 2 different languages. So don't mind what I'm doing right now, but just let you know, after you email it to yourself, then what you do is that you copy and paste from the email from your laptop onto a WordPress document or something like that. That way you have a good idea how to edit it and make corrections on it and do all the good stuff on it. So when you put it inside the blog, it's all ready to go and you can upload it. It's pretty simple. You do it that way. It's much easier. Instead of just trying to figure out what to do, you just speak into your phone and then you copy and paste it to your email on your phone and send it to yourself. It's a lot easier. So that's all for now. You guys have a good morning, good night, and talk to you later. Take care. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.